how you can connect the Miro Boards to your Claude AI account. So simply open your Claude AI. You can use desktop version or the browser version. Once you are here in the left down corner area, click on your profile and here simply open settings. And now we're gonna navigate into connectors on the left. And here we want to click and find browse connectors. So if you don't have Miro Boards here, we need to find that. Click on browse connectors and now simply scroll down, or you can just search for it, but it's gonna be down here. You can find the Miro Boards, open it. Here you can see all the tools available if you connect it to your Claude AI. As you can see, it's developed by Miro itself, and you can use Claude AI in Miro Boards. So click on connect. It's gonna probably open you the browser version. And now you have to authorize Miro Boards to Claude, because Claude wants to access your Miro Boards via Miro MCP. Now you have to allow access. You can review their MCP documentation here. If you read it, click on add. And now the access to your Miro Boards has been authorized. If you get back to your Claude AI and your connectors, here you can see the Miro is active. You can configure it here. As you can see here, you can always allow everything, context explorer, board list, items, and also write delete tools. You can also allow all this, and that's how you can connect Claude AI into Miro Boards. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.